Hello friends, today we will learn how to construct 90 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree using ruler and compasses. So let's start. So to construct any angle, first we need is a baseline. So for this let us construct a ray. So this will be our base of our angle. So let us name this point, that is the initial point, that is O, and take a point A here. So OA ray will be the base of our angle. Now to construct 90 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree, we need three angles, that is 60 degree, 120 and 180 first. So first let us construct 60, 120 and 180. So for that let us take a radius. So radius is the distance from this pointer to the pencil point. So taking O as the center, we will construct an arc just a little bit larger than a semicircle, such that it meets here. That is the base. So this will be our 0 degree point. As we see in the protractor, so this will be our 0 degree. So let us name it B. Now with the same radius, now we have not changed the radius, whatever the radius is from O to B, as you can see here, the same radius we will use, and take now B as the center. Now we will take B as the center and cut off this semicircle, whatever you have done. So taking B as the center, we will cut off. So the first arc that we do will be 60. Now the same thing from 60 here, let us mark it. So from 60 degree with the same radius, again one more arc will cut off. So that will be 120, and the third arc will be 180. So we have 60, 120 and 180. So let us draw some dotted lines here, as we are using these ones to get the standard angles like 90. So for this what you have to do, first you have to just draw the dotted lines, because just we are using them, we did not show it, so a dotted line is enough for it. So this is the 60 degree. Next we have 120 and the last will be 180 degree. So we have got the three angles, 60, 120 and 180. So now we will bisect 60 degree and 120. If we will bisect 60 and 120, we will get 90 degree. As we know, 60 plus 120 is 180, and 180 by 2 will get surely 90 degree. So that is the logic here. So 60 plus 120 is 180, 180 by 2 is 90. So we will bisect 60 and 120. Now to bisect, we have to take the radius more than the angle here. So just more than the half we can take here. So this is up to here. We can use the same radius. If you want, we can just change it. So here, now we will keep here as the center. Let us name the point C and D, and let this one be E. Now taking C as the center, as you can see here, taking C as the center, we will cut off an arc with a radius. With the same radius, we will put at point D and cut off that arc that we have drawn from center C. So we have got two arcs intersecting each other, one from point C and one from point D, and let us mark it. Now and join with the vertex O. So this will be our 90 degrees. As you can see here, 60 degree and 120 are bisects and we get 90 degrees. So let us mark a point here, F. So you can see here angle AOF, angle AOF is equals to 90 degrees. Now we'll construct 45. So how to get 45? As you know, 45's double is 90. So you have to see that which two angles I will add so that I get 90. So 0 plus 90 is 90. So 0 plus 90 when we add, we get 90, and 90 by 2 we get 45 degree. So we have to bisect 0 and 90. So let us mark this point also, that is on the semicircle, point G. Let it be point G. So we will see that whenever we are bisecting angle, we are using only the semicircle. So only whatever the arcs that what are the points and arcs we get, so that one only we will use for bisecting the angles. So here we will bisect 0 and 90. So for that, so 0 to 90 you have to bisect. So we will take a radius somewhere more than that. So here, so I have taken a radius, and we know that 45 will come somewhere here, because this is 90, this is 0, and 45 is an acute angle, so it comes somewhere in this portion. So taking B as the center, we will cut off an arc, and taking G as the center, that is for 90 degree what you have done, G as the center, we will cut that. So one from B, one from G, 0 and 90, 0 degree and 90 degree. Now we will just mark the meeting point with the vertex. So let us name it H. So we can say now angle AOH is 45 degrees. Angle AOH is 45 degrees. And the last one is 135. So for 135, we have to bisect 90 and 180. So 90 plus 180 is 270, and 270 when you divide by 2 we get 135. So 90 and 180. So G point will be 90 and E point will be 180. So we'll take this a definite radius, a little bit more than this we can take. So 1 point, so at G, so from G as the center, we'll cut off one arc. So we have taken G as the center, and now taking E as the center, we'll cut off that arc. So 1 from G, that is 90 point, and 180. So 90 and 180 will get a point. Let us mark it, and then join it with the vertex. So this will be 135 degree. So let's name a point here. BI. So we can say angle AOI equals to 135 degree. So we see here, first 90 we get when we bisect 0 and 90, 45 we get when you bisect 90 we get when you bisect 60 and 120, 60 and 120. So 60 and 120 if you bisect, I will get 90. 0 and 90 if you bisect, will get 45. 90 and 180 if you bisect, will get 135 degree. Thank you and keep exploring.